Everyone's talking about AI image generators like Midjourney, DALL-E, or Stable Diffusion, but guess what? There's one powerful tool that almost nobody is talking about, and it's completely free. I'm talking about Google Whisk. If you've been searching for the best free AI image generator, you need to see this. People are constantly asking, which AI tool can I use without paying? Everyone's pointing to the same options, but Google quietly launched Whisk and it's flying under the radar. Today, I'll show you how it works, why it's different, and how you can start using it right now. So, what exactly is Google Whisk? Think of it as Google's own AI-powered image generator. It's lightweight, easy to use, and unlike most others, you don't need a paid subscription. You just type in your idea like a futuristic city at sunset cinematic style, and within seconds, Whisk generates high-quality images for you. No complicated settings, no hidden fees, just free access. And here's the crazy part. While everyone's hyping up paid tools, this one is sitting right here, open to anyone with a Google account. It's like Google kept it low-key and barely anyone is talking about it yet. It's totally free, no credit card needed. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly. Fast results, you don't wait forever for an image. And since it's backed by Google, you know the tech is solid. If you want to try it out, just head over to Google Whisk through your browser. Sign in with your Google account, type in a prompt, and boom, you've got images. Simple as that. Now you know about the free AI image generator that nobody is talking about. Before the internet catches on, you should definitely give it a try. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI and tech tips, and drop a comment telling me what crazy prompts you're going to try first on Whisk.